So I am getting ready to do an unboxing of the starter kit from the Dollar Shave Club, and this is what I got. So this is what the packaging looks like on the inside. It's kind of like this weird mesh paper stuff. Anyway, it works pretty well for insulating and keeping things in order and not causing problems or anything like that. Not having things bouncing around and getting broken. So there's that, and then I did end up taking the handle out of the bag that it was in. But this is just one of the items that you get. It's called shave butter, and I can tell you that everything that's in this box does have sort of a unisex type of a scent. So it's kind of like I don't know, kind of like a very earthy, lavender, and I don't know, I would say kind of like a woodsy type of a smell. And it does smell really nice. It's just, it's very unisex. Like, it's not, flowery and powdery fragranced or anything like that. It's certainly not musky scented or anything. It's just kind of in between. Very natural smelling. But the shave butter is what you would end up using, like, on your face, on your legs, your mustache, things of that nature. I guess you could technically use it for your underarms too if you really chose to. So there's that, and then there is also this as well, which is the the Amber Lavender Body Cleanser. Try and get the camera in focus. There we go. Okay, so there's that. Now this one smells really, really nice. I'm really liking this one. So yeah. So anyway, but yeah, it smells very nice. Then you get, of course, the best item in the entire box is the butt wipes. Or, well, I guess you could technically use the wipes for anything, but I think it's more fun to just call them butt wipes because, you can use them for that too. So, you get a box of 4 blades, and they are, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like each blade head, each razor head has has 6 blades to it. Try to get the camera to focus. There we go. That still kind of sucks. Okay, that's better. So as you can see, there's 6 blades on each razor head. So anyway, I think that's really cool. And I'm not sure if you're aware or not, but the Dollar Shave Club box is literally just shipping and handling for the first box, and it's at $5 for that. And it comes to you, it's well packaged, everything smells nice, everything works very well, and it's very good quality. Like, even the handle for the razor that you get, it even has this rubbery silicone grip on it as well to help, for anti-slip, so that if you're in the shower or doing your legs or something like that on the edge of the tub or anything of that nature, it's really difficult to just drop it, just from it sliding out of your hand because of the rubbery substance here. And then even on the razor head here where it attaches the razor heads, like it here. Well, it's trying to go into focus, but okay, so anyway, there's that. So the handle is not made out of plastic. It is made out of metal, and it is heavy quality metal. I personally was very surprised by the quality of this. I mean, just because it's so heavy. Like I wouldn't expect the handle of something from the Dollar Shave Club box to be that good of quality. I mean, it literally, like, you've got to be careful, like, how you do this balancing act here, too, because it's weighted pretty heavily on the handle. So, anyway, that is what is in the starter box for the Dollar Shave Club. And these are the butt wipes. And yes, this was only $5. And to be perfectly honest, for just being able to try stuff out, that's a hell of a deal. Anyway, I hope that helps some of you to decide whether or not you want to get it or try it. I do have an extra Dollar Shave Club box as well, the starter one, that I will be doing a giveaway with here shortly. So keep a lookout, and kind of hit the subscribe, hit the follow, things of that nature, because eventually the contest coming up to get that free Dollar Shave Club box is going to be a requirement of being subscribed to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page as well. Have a good evening, have a good weekend, have a good day. Bye-bye.